Eyes check. Are you making sure your eyes are thoroughly clean and clear? If you love wearing makeup as much as I do on a daily basis, then you know how we struggle with removing waterproof makeup, right? Do you ever wake up with excess makeup in the inner corners of your eyes? It's a sign that you didn't wash off your makeup properly. I use the Rohto Cool Eye Wash to keep my eyes extra clean and sanitized. It's super easy to use too. Pour the liquid until it reaches the indicator line, approximately 5 ml in the special squeeze cup. Put it against your eye facing down, squeeze a few times while your eye is open for about 30 seconds and then pull off carefully. It doesn't leak too. Watch it remove stubborn makeup residue, dirt and debris. You can see the residue more clearly after using a light beneath the cup. My favorite thing about it would be the cooling sensation. It instantly refreshes my eyes. It definitely doesn't sting too. Like how we cleanse our hands daily, we must cleanse the eyes daily as well. Keep your delicate eyes clean and healthy. Use Rohto Cool Eye Wash today.